In this video we will discuss the law of compensation and its importance. Welcome to my channel, and please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification. What is the law of compensation? The law of compensation says that you will be compensated for your actions. Similar to the law of cause and effect, I do have a separate video on cause and effect. Be sure to check that out. I will link that below this video. What you do affects what you get. In other words, you reap what you sow. But this isn't all about money. That is where most people get the wrong idea about this law. Sure, compensation will come in the form of money sometimes, but this can mean everything in your life, not just money. Ralph Waldo Emerson said in his essay titled Compensation, "Each person is compensated in like manner in that which he or she has contributed." More precisely, he says, the whole of what we know is a system of compensations. Every defect in one manner is made up in another. Every suffering is rewarded, every sacrifice comes back to you. Every debt is paid. Why the law of compensation is important? The law of compensation is important because whatever you put out, you get back. In other words, you get in return what you give. It is simple. Good energy, contributions, love, joy, hate, resentment. It really does not matter what you give. You will get it back. You will get compensated. Whether positive or negative is up to you. Money doesn't matter here. In fact, money is probably the worst thing to try to get compensated on. Although it does work, this law of compensation is more along the lines of feelings, thoughts, emotions, ideas, knowledge, etc. Try to show more love, and witness it be returned to you. Give people more happiness, show them your inner you, and happiness will be returned to you. Spread more hate, and more hate will come to you. Spread more wealth, and more wealth will be returned to you. This is law. Really, that is what the law of compensation is all about. As I stated earlier, like the law of cause and effect and the law of attraction. Just like most every law of the universe, in fact. Whatever you sow, so shall you reap. I really want you to grasp the importance in this, because if you are getting compensated something in your life, it is definitely what you are putting out in the world. Every single time. There is no other way. Again, this is law. If you think your boss is giving you a hard time at work, you can bet somewhere somehow you are giving others a hard time. Think your wife resents your marriage? You have resent for it as well. Do you think that money is hard to come by, and you need to hold on to it? Well, that is what you will get. Pay attention to your thoughts, that is the main point here. This is universal law. Try saying how good your job is, how wonderful and fulfilling it is. Change the way you look at things, and the things you look at will change. Change the way you think of your marriage. It is one of the best things you have in your life. You have a family. Say thank you, and be grateful. Focus on money being abundant and ever-flowing. Guess what you will get? More of it. To use the law of compensation to your advantage, you have to do mostly what you do with other universal laws. Pay attention to your thoughts. There it is. It's very simple when you think about it. The law of compensation, one of the 11 forgotten laws. Use it, and watch your life soar. Please like and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.